In the name of Almighty Allah, hello audience and welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss geography MCQs for all competitive examination. So this will be part first. So the first one is, which of the following river crosses the equator twice? So it is Congo River. Next one is Khyber Pass, situated in Suleiman Range of KPK, Pakistan, which connects Peshawar with Kabul, and it is located at the height of 3,370 feet, and its total length is 53 kilometers. And which of the following lake is most polluted lake in the world? So it is Lake Victoria. Next one is Tojila waterfall is present in South Africa. And Gota Canal is the ship canal and it is situated in Sweden. Albert Canal, situated in Belgium, it was opened for ships in 1939 and its total length is 80 miles. Houston and Delaware canals are present in United States, and Grand Canal is the oldest man-made canal for shipping purposes, and it was built in 7th century and it is located in modern China. And Gulf of Siam is located in southern Thailand, and Persian Gulf is located in Indian Ocean, and Utigard's Fosen waterfall is present in Norway, and Bay of Biscay is situated between northern Spain and western France, and Sutherland waterfall is present in New Zealand, and Petermans Glacier is situated in Greenland. And what is the longest river of United States? So it is Mississippi. And Don is the river of Russia. And which is the largest gulf of the world? So it is Gulf of Mexico. And Yosemite is a famous waterfall of United States, and Denman Glacier is situated in Antarctica, and Strait of Malacca separates Malaysia and Indonesia. And which of the following straits separates India from Sri Lanka? So it is Palk Strait, and and it separates Spain from Africa and connects Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. So it is Strait of Gibraltar. And which of the following straits separate Malaysia from Singapore? So it is Johor Strait. And Siachen, Balturo and Chogolugma glaciers are located in Pakistan, and these are situated in Karakoram mountainous range. And Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea are connected by Dardanelles Strait, and Bass Strait separates Australia from Tasmania, and Cook Strait separates South New Zealand from North New Zealand, and Paris is the capital of France, and it is situated on the bank of Seine River or Seine River. English Channel separates England from France, and Agra is the very famous city of India due to Taj Mahal, iconic Taj Mahal, and it is situated on the bank of river Jamna, or in Urdu it is Yamuna. And Great Victoria Desert is present in Australia, and Budapest is the capital of Hungary, and it is situated on the bank of river Danube. And Simpson Desert is present in Australia, and the river Volga pours its water into the Caspian Sea, and Gulf of Sidra is present in Libya, Middle East. And name the instrument used for measuring humidity. So it is a hygrometer, a broad channel where the waters of a river and a sea mingle. So that point is called estuary. And one of the country through which equator passes is Brazil. And what is which is the largest sea in the world? So it is South China Sea. And which of the following is the world largest island? So it is Greenland. And the origin of Earth dates back to approximately 4.6 billion years. And the second largest continent in the terms of area is Africa. And South Pole was discovered by Amundsen, and which is the deepest ocean in the world. So it is Pacific Ocean. And at which place on earth there is always day and night of an equal duration. So it is on the equator. And a line on a map joining places having equal atmospheric pressure is called isobar. And what is the longest day in the northern hemisphere? So it is 21st June. And water line two sea linked by a Suez Canal, so the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. And where is the coldest place in the world situated? So it is situated in Antarctica. And which is the biggest freshwater lake in the world? So it is Lake Superior. And the largest peninsula in the world is Arabian Peninsula. A landlocked, a landlocked country in Africa is Zambia. In Pakistan neighbor, the landlocked country is Afghanistan. South Pole is located in the continent of Antarctica. And which mountain system lies between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea? So it is Caucasus, Caucasus mountain range. And which is the longest river in the world? So it is Amazon. And which is the deepest lake in the world? So it is Lake Baikal. And which is the largest lake in Africa? So it is Lake Victoria. And which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov? So it is Crimean Peninsula. And which is the largest desert in the world present in North Africa? So it is Sahara Desert. The river Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej are tributaries of river Indus. And which of the following measure the strength or magnitude of an earthquake? So it is a Richter scale. And the thickness of atmosphere around the earth is 145 kilometer, and atmosphere around the earth maintains its temperature, and the layers of atmosphere are divided into five parts, just like exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, and troposphere. And above the Earth's surface, the troposphere extends to a height of 15 kilometers. And which next layer is above the troposphere? So it is stratosphere. And which is the longest mountain range in the world? So it is Andes mountain range. And which form of iron has got the highest carbon content? So it is cast iron. And where is Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world, located? So it is located in Northern America. And which one of the following is a metamorphic rock? So it is tile or marble. And a garden desert is present in Africa. And which separates Italy from Sicily? So Messina separates Italy from Sicily. And which of the following countries has highest percentage of land under cultivation? So it is United States. East Timor is now independent country. Before the independence, it was a part of Indonesia. And Margla Hill is located in Islamabad and it is a branch of Himalayas mountainous range. And a ring of fire refers to a ring of volcanoes present in circum-Pacific seismic belt. And which of the following is the oldest rock in the world? So it is Ordovician rock. In one of my exam of FIA, this MCQs was asked, and which of the following mountain system is the oldest in the world? So it is Aravalli and it is located in India. And the youngest mountain range in the world is Himalayas mountainous region. And the leading producer of silver metal is Mexico. And the river Jhelum was its source from Varanasi. And which of the following countries has the largest area in the world? So it is Russia. And the highest lake above the sea level in the world is Lake Titicaca. And which country is considered the largest democracy in the world? So it is India. And in which of the following countries are the world highest waterfall located? So it is Venezuela. And which of the following is the smallest ocean of the world? So it is Arctic Ocean, just like Pacific is the largest ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and so on. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't time. Please subscribe this channel for more notification and updates. Stay tuned with us. Thank you. God bless you all.